Hey, it's Pretty Cool today, and the game we're playing today is Tornado Alley 2. I didn't get any recommendations, but this is the best game I can possibly say that I played so far on Roblox. And what I like to do in this game is very simple. You try to run and get away from the tornado, and there's not a lot of places that you can pretty much hide, so I like to stay out in the open. But the best thing to do, actually, is not to stay out in the open, because last time I died after I got shocked by lightning. And I like it because they have the broken bones list, which I broke my leg and I was like limping and walking really slow. And as you can see, Builders Club, which I got, and it's really great actually. You should try getting it. It's only $10 for the card, seriously. And I got 2 cards for Christmas, and I got a lot to put on my card. Basically, just stole my money right there. Just stole my money. Oh, it's okay. It's probably gonna give it back to me later. Anyway. So as you can see, there's a lot to do here, but it's sort of like empty because you don't see a lot of people out here playing around and messing around. You see, sometimes you see those people. They're just fooling around, and the clouds are getting intense and proceed to save shelter. And this is really tough. So I'm gonna try it anyway. So you see. You can see, you'll eventually see them start to form wherever they form. I think I see this tornado forming. No, there it is. So it's Sharknado. You can break bones by getting hit with the debris the tornado leaves behind. You can get with the shark. So they die. I know the tornadoes. Oh my gosh. I don't like the Sharknado because the sharks look really weird. Best thing is to get under something, like in one of the craters. Get in one of the craters and stay there. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Okay, so as you can see, there's something here, and I'm gonna end the video right here because I'm really creeped out by these sharks. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna let it go the rest of the round, then I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna let it go the rest of the round, I'm gonna end the video. Best thing to do is get in the crater, because I'm guessing that eventually go over you. Okay, I'm closing my eyes right now because this is so creepy. It's supposed to be dim, but instead of this. Tornado's gone. tornado is going. I have no broken bones, thank goodness, where I'd be living. And really, how could there not be any rescue team to come rescue us? Okay, so I'm gonna end around here. Sometimes there's hurricanes that go on from there, and then there's hurricanes. So bye, love you. Subscribe, like, slap that like button, slap that subscribe button. Bye bye bye.